Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to erase likes on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on top left profile. Okay, then click on three line option. After that, click on activity log. Okay. Click on this option. Then public post. Okay. Then click on categories. Okay, back. Tap on three line option. Then this option is move to trash and click on tick mark. Then archive option, then trust option, then three dot option, then change audience, then trash, then archive. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.